Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to allow people to share your post on their Instagram story. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you must turn on resharing permissions inside your account settings and ensure your profile visibility is set to public. Now, to go ahead and do those, go ahead over to your profile right here and tap the three horizontal lines. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead over to account privacy right here. Make sure that this one is toggled off, or in short, your account must be under a public account. So switch to public, go ahead and go back. After once done, go ahead and scroll down and find how others can interact with you. Now in here, we have the sharing and reuse option. So go ahead and tap on it. And in here, just basically allow people to share your stories, enable it, and stories to stories right here to everyone or followers you follow back, as well as post and reels to stories, repost and post, and reels. Allow people to create with and reuse your content. Well, enable everything right here. Now, allow people to create with reuse your original audio on Meta AI. Enable it if you want to, and some other options right here. Just enable them all and you should be good to go. And your future posts and their stories will be shareable by other people. And that's how easy it is to allow people to share your post on their Instagram story. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.